Okay.
All right.
So we got him going. Now we got him coming.
Yeah.
Out of the woods. Providing Christmas trees for his family.
I should have wore flannel.
He should have worn flannel.
Brawny.
Oh, and Emerson's done.
Your dad's carrying this Christmas tree. It looks like a giant tree. Oh, that's a pretty one.
Okie dokie. Tree has been delivered into the back of the truck.
Let there be Christmas.
And so it shall be.
And so it was written. Okay. Thank you, Mom.
And now we're all going to get back in the cars and turn on the heaters and get out of the rain. Okay. Aww.